Alright guys, we're ripping some Chinese packs. I've actually never ripped any of these. There's only 4 cards per pack, I believe. So let's see what we get. I saw someone open these and I saw some cool cards. Never opened any Chinese packs before, so. Okay.
Oh, that's a cool one. Oh, okay. That's a nice one.
Awesome. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Not bad pulls, baby. Yeah, Donnie, you wanna hold those? All right. Let's see what we got next. I do want to get a nice booster box for this. See what I get. But okay, we got this guy. Oh,
Isn't that a repeat?
no. Okay.
Oh.
That's the little pink. That's cool. These are mainly nice cards to just put in my collection, honestly. Yeah, awesome. Thank you guys for watching.